From fight number 4 of Pacquiao and Marquez, let's jump to 3. Yes, 3 straight wins of UP Pep Squad on UAAP cheer dance competition. Here is my special report. The University of the Philippines Pep Squad has won the Samsung UAAP cheer dance competition for the 3rd straight year. Sporting shaved heads, the UP cheering team bested the 7-under UAAP Pep Squads in front of nearly 20,000 spectators at the SM Mall of Asia Arena on Saturday. UP took home the 340,000 top prize and a trophy. FEU settled for the 200,000 pesos second prize, while the third placer NU pocketed 140,000 pesos. The University of Santo Tomas Salingawi Troop was ranked 4th, followed by the De La Salle Animo Squad at 5th, Ateneo's Babel Battalion at 6th, the Adamson Pep Squad at 7th, and the University of the East Pep Squad at 8th completed the cast.
Ferlin, what have you brought for us from the Book of Health?
Cancer is the most deadly disease that suffered of many Filipinos today. In our health news, we will give you some important information or tips on how to prevent this kind of deadly disease.
First, avoid smoking and exposure to smoke. Smoking is the most significant cancer risk factor that we can reduce. Second, practice sun safety and recognize when skin changes occur. Skin cancer is the most common type of cancer among men and women, and it accounts for about half of all cancer diagnoses. Third, eat your fruits and veggies. A well-balanced diet is advantageous for many reasons. Fourth, limit red meat and animal fat. Red meat contains much more fat than poultry and fish, so reducing the amount of red meat in your diet may help to prevent cancer. Fifth, limit your alcohol intake. Drinking excessive amounts of alcohol regularly increases your risk factor of many types of cancer. Sixth, exercise for cancer prevention. The American Cancer Society recommends exercising 30 minutes at least 5 days a week for cancer prevention. Seventh, know your personal and family medical history. Knowing your family history of cancer is important to properly assess your risk factor for certain types of cancer. 8. Know what you're being exposed to in your work environment. Chemicals in the workplace may increase your risk of developing many types of cancer, including kidney cancer and bladder cancer. 9. Practice safe sex. You may wonder what sex has to do with cancer. And last, get screened for cancer regularly. Cancer screening tests can be useful not only in detecting cancer but also helping prevent it. But these ways will not be materialized without a strict self-discipline and patience. Ferlin Moralio reporting.
Let us know the latest on showbiz industry from Manny Linadan and Ferlin Moralio.
First on the line, showbiz update. There is no better way to mark Bea Alonzo and John Lloyd Cruz 10th anniversary as love team than through a bold, engrossing film such as The Mistress that also finds them at their best individually.
Despite its imperfections, The Mistress doesn't preach about morality. Rather, it simply tells a complicated love story which takes off from the major characters' respective points of view. That then elicits considerable sympathy for these characters as they justify their decisions and actions, especially when it comes to love. The trailer pretty much sums the story. Sari, Bea Alonzo, a tailor, is the closeted mistress of a wealthy businessman Federico, Ronaldo Valdez, who is very much married to his alcoholic wife Regina, Hilda Coronel. Sari's relatively quiet life gets rocked when she meets charming, determined architect JD, John Lloyd Cruz, who's willing to save her from being some old man's dirty little secret and offer her a life he believes she deserves.
Star Cinema's The Mistress, directed by Oliva Lamasan with screenplay by Vanessa Valdez, is showing in theaters nationwide. Actress Francine Prieto got into a flame with other microbloggers because of a comment she made about not wanting to date President Benigno Aquino III.
Blogger professional heckler first asked Prieto via Twitter if she would go on a date with the president. She replied that she didn't like. Her post immediately went viral with some people branding her a loose woman and saying Aquino would not like her either. Professional heckler said Prieto should just ignore the people posting bad things about her and use Twitter's block button to filter their remarks.
At 6 o'clock p.m., professional heckler tweeted that he was sorry for having asked Prieto his question. This is Manny Nadan and Ferlin Moralio for Showbiz Update.
The Gangnam are the latest fashion trend by our fashionista reporter Charmaine Castillo.
Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down.
When it comes to fashion and style, we Filipinos are always on the lead. So speaking of fashion, we are talking about trending styles, what's new and what's in. So for that Pinoy classic style this coming holiday, the new skinny jeans is always a good pair for almost every top that we use. Speaking of these top are blouses, polo shirts, t-shirts, and others. For those who want to show off some skin, you can also use mini skirt or bandage skirt paired with really big or loose top. You can pair it with flats or for that more confident feeling, use high heels. Of course, you can add accessories for that edgy look that will satisfy your style. For those who are adventurous type, here are some suggested outfits for you. You can wear an animalistic loud designed pants as in a cheetah, paired with a slim fit, black lettered, or blouse. So for that poised looking touch, use a pair of 4 to 5 inch black shoes to complete the outfit. For those who want a conservative look, put on some long sleeve top, pants, and flats. Remember, if one piece is dark, the other piece should have a lighter color so that you won't look very plain and stiff. Put some sparkle onto your outfit and you can make any outfit from drab to fab. Charmaine Castillo for the latest fashion trends.
So, PSY Gangnam Style break the record of the YouTube views at 231 million and counting. This dance craze and tune brought anyone of its listener in its craziness. And we are one of them. Just take a look at this.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자, 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자, 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자, 그런 반전 있는 여자. 너는 선호해, 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해, 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해, 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해, 그런 선호해. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style.
I can't imagine I did all of it.
You can hide it. It is not an actual television.
What important is we are happy.
Exactly. For that, another hour of the Town Come Out news from our town.
But the lenses will still be open.
Because for us, every news should account. Good day, Philippines. This is
Accounting News Unlimited.
여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그 선어해 건지식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 내까지 가볼까
By the President as he
오빤
appointed the
강남
former
스타일.
DE Secretary Mario Paz as the new
Gangnam Style.
of Martin State University.
오빤 강남 스타일.
In
Gangnam
addition,
Style.
the SIC was claimed for
오빤
this
강남
year.
스타일.
The hospitality was increased.
오빤 강남 스타일. 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선어해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선어해 때가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선어해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 내까지 가볼까
to move through the
오빤 강남 스타일
Only to show who is the best.
강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남 스타일 섹시 레이디 위는 놈그 위에 나는 놈 베이베 베이베 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 위는 놈그 위에 나는 놈 베이베 베이베 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 You know what I'm saying 오빤 강남 스타일